and welcome to Just Learn Python. This is Python tutorial for beginners. We are in part 14 of this series and we are learning strings. In last 3 videos, we learned about some basic concepts about strings, and today we are going to continue this series with string formatting. Python provides a flexible options for string formatting. We can use percentage operator, that is format operator, or format function to do string formatting. Let us look at some examples. Now in example 1, we will use percentage operator to do a string formatting. Let's say name percentage s for string, comma, age, and percentage d for digit. Then after that we are giving percentage, this is the operator, and in parenthesis we are giving the values, that is string and 27. This is string and this is digit. Fine. We can have other values also like percentage f, percentage c, etc. So here we are passing string and digit, that's why we are using percentage s and percentage d. So if I run this, so we get name as Alistair and age as 27. Notice when you specify this specifier here, data type specifier, it has to be string. The corresponding value has to be string. Suppose if I do d, it will throw an error. It says a number is required, not a string, because here we are passing percentage d, so it has to be number. The next one is we can assign the format string to a variable. Here format is a variable where we are assigning the string. Here we directly used operator on string. Instead of that, we can assign the format string to a variable, then use that variable, after that operator, and then pass the value. Same as above, only difference is we are using a variable. This is how generally people use in practical code, in real life code, where they use variables, give this formats, because it is easy to maintain at one place rather than changing it at different places. Fine. In example 3, we can use format method on strings. So now the syntax is, here there is a placeholder for name and there is another placeholder for digit. This is the string. Inside quotes it's a string, then after that there is a dot and then format. Inside parenthesis we pass values to format method. Format method accepts variable arguments. So here the first parenthesis corresponds to name, second parenthesis corresponds to the digit. These are placeholders. I'll comment this for a while and I'll explain this. So I'll run this code. We get name as Alistair, age as 27. So we can also specify the order of the values. So here Alistair we can pass it as 0, and 27 we explicitly mentioning that these are the values we are passing. So 0th position is Alistair and first position is 27. So if I run this, so we get the same output. We can change the position of the arguments. Suppose I reverse the order. Let's see what happens here. What I have done, instead of 0 name I have given 1, and for age I have given 0, interchanging the position. Let's see the output. Now see, name becomes 27, age is Alistair. It doesn't make any sense, but it is just to show how we can change the position of the arguments. Fine. We can also use format function for text alignment. For right alignment we use greater than symbol, for left alignment we use less than symbol, and for center alignment we use cap, that is up arrow mark. So in the example 1, want to have a string of 40 characters. The remaining, after hello world, remaining characters will be filled with white spaces. So text equal to hello world, and then format, I am passing the value here, and inside quote I am passing greater than 40. I want a text of 40 character length, fill the remaining characters with white space. So this is entire is 40 characters. So after I have some characters here, remaining will be white spaces. So this entire length will be 40 characters. Similarly, I want to fill empty spaces after hello world. Same here, text I am passing here less than 40, left alignment. So this is of 40 characters. After hello world, remaining number of characters will be filled with white spaces. Similarly, we can do hello world center alignment. what I have done here, pass the text and pass cap and 40 inside quotes. So what happens? This is 40 characters minus the length of the hello world. Remaining values is divided into two parts, white spaces on the right hand side, white spaces on the left hand side. So this is center alignment. It's also possible to fill another character instead of white space. We can specify any character like hash or any special character you can pass so that you want to format the string. In the example 4, we are filling empty spaces with hash before text. This is text, and I want a text of 25 characters and fill the white spaces with hash. So now here if you see, this is string, total is 25. The remaining characters will be filled with hash. This is fill after text. Same as above, here I am using 40 characters, the total length of the string will be 40 and remaining characters are filled with hash after the hello word. Similarly, we have center alignment. What happens here? We get the special character on both the sides. So in this video, we learned string formatting options. Those are the percentage operator, format operator and format method, string method, and we saw how to pass arguments to format method and the order of format method, order of arguments of the format method, and then we saw how to align text left, right, center using format function, then filling with characters in place of white spaces. I hope you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so that you'll get notifications when there is a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.